Welcome back to the Fuji Guys channel. My name is Francis. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the brand new Fujifilm X-T30II. So keep on watching. Alright, so without further ado, let's have a look at what comes in a box of the X-T30II. So when we open up the box, we can see we have two QR codes. So one of them is for the user manual, and then the other one is for the Fujifilm camera remote app. Now, if you're not familiar on how to use a QR code, you simply take your smartphone, open up the camera app, and then you point it to the QR code, and as you can see, it detects it, and then you can just click, and then it'll bring you right up to the manual. You can do the same thing for the camera remote app, and it'll bring you to the App Store. Now, moving on, we do have some paperwork. So depending on where you're located in the world, it's going to be different. But we have some warranty information and then a quick start guide. Getting into the box, we can see the X-T30 here, but that's not what we're going first. We're going to go into this compartment here. So first we have a nice leatherette camera strap. So let's just have a look at it. Keep your camera secure. Let's put it to the side. Next we have a USB cable. So on one side we have a USB-A, so you can plug that into your computer or into a charging block. And then on the other end we have a USB-C connection that will go to the camera so that you can charge it or transfer images. Lastly, in that compartment, we do have an NP-W126S battery that will power the camera. And then lastly, we have the camera itself. The X-T30II. Now, the camera body in itself didn't really change all that much. Actually, it didn't change at all. The screen only changed, so we got a higher resolution screen now, and then we also get an improved buffer. But the camera itself, if you just look at it, you could easily mistaken it for an X-T30 original. But if you do have a look underneath the camera, you can see that it's written digital camera X-T30II on the battery door. Now, speaking of that, we can put our battery here, so we can line up the two orange, the tab like that. And then that's where we also put our memory card, just in here. So here's the content of the box. Alright, so that'll be it for the unboxing of the brand new Fujifilm X-T30II. Now, if you'd like to see more content like this about this and other Fujifilm products, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And until next time, c'était Francis pour les Fuji Guys.